Hello guys, welcome to the course. In this lesson, I am going to discuss about how to fade in and fade out of an audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here is our track. Cut the things here. Here is our track. And so we'll apply fade in or fade out. We'll go to effects panel and then go to audio transition. Then we can see that exponential fade effect here. We'll apply exponential fade here and exponential fade here. After that, the duration is 1 second, and if we play this, increase some duration, here you can see there is nice fade effect. We'll keep the duration to 2 seconds. And we'll make the duration of this 2 seconds also. At the end, there is a fade out effect. There is a fade in effect. That's fade in and that's fade out. You can use fade in or fade out effect in another way. Suppose if we clear this and add a point here, here and here, and if we level this down, there is a nice fade in effect. And also if we do the same thing similarly in here, if we clear out the effect and then add points by pen tool, we can see that we can create nice fade in and fade out effect by using pen tool also. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with a new topic in next lesson. Thank you.